thousands of years, the ocean has provided us with nutrition, cosmetics, therapeutics, and energy. For all the damage that we've inflicted on the ocean, it is resilient, and it contains the secrets for solving some of our most challenging problems, like cleaning our drinking water. We're fortunate to live in a society where we can turn on our faucets and expect potable water to come flowing out of our taps, and yet our drinking water is not as clean as it could be. Bacterial slime called biofilm accumulates in the pipes that supply the water we drink every single day. The slime acts as a thick and impenetrable barrier to water flow that can contain thousands of harmful bacteria that are incredibly hard to kill. Looking to how the problem is solved by nature, Aequor discovered molecules in the coral reef that uniquely remove the slime in minutes and prevent its formation for days. We made bio-inspired water treatments using ingredients that mimic the features of the natural molecules. And we know that they work. We've been validated by NASA. Yes, NASA. Hundreds of miles above us, slime builds up faster and thicker to protect bacteria from the intense radiation from space. This slime had contaminated the water recycling system used on board the International Space Station. In testing at NASA over the course of 3 years, Aequor's water treatment eliminated the problem, enabling the life support system to make precious, pure water. Our product was last launched to the ISS in 2022 for further testing. Back on Earth, our mission is to replace the $43 billion worth of water treatment chemicals that are toxic and ineffective against biofilm slime. Aequor cleans water better, from deep sea to deep space.